Okay, so I'm in my room organizing. This is the stuff I'm keeping. I'm sending this stuff home. I'm pretty sure I'm sending my spikes home. I don't think there's snow below us, like, or south of us, but I need to ask some other hikers. Now I need to go through my food here and decide things for the next section. Clothes are clean, and I just have to pick up a few things. But, yeah. So this is my food bag for the next section. Not bad, 7 days. Got it pretty compact. Hopefully there's enough food in here. All packed up, ready to go. Oops. Should I send these sunglasses home? I don't know. Hi.
Hola.
We are, Luna's giving us a ride.
I guess I could do it.
Oh yes, okay. We just went to the post office and did some chores, and now we're headed back, gonna get on trail soon. Okay, it is 4:30. I'm doing my first slack packing adventure. I decided to head into the next section and not get off trail. Or not, like, you know, just do mini sections or whatever I was thinking of. So I am slack packing from Mariah's Pass back to East Glacier to stay at the Looking Glass again. So I left all my stuff at the hostel there. Luna's amazing. There's a bunch of hikers there still. Chris is still there. And yeah, so I have like a bunch of stuff in my fanny pack, and I have sticks and my water, and I think I'm all set. It's supposed to be really nice out. I have my inReach if anything goes wrong, snacks, charger. So I should be all set to hike. I just need to find the trail. I'm gonna do that now. So I need to cross the railroad tracks right here to start my hike. This train just stopped. Whew. So that's a little bit of a bummer. It's really hot out right now. I'd like to tuck into the trees. It's very tempting to climb over that, but it's scary because it was literally just rolling, so I'm gonna wait and hope that it starts moving again. Otherwise I'm just like waiting here. So it looks like there's the end, but I can't really tell for sure. We'll see. Oh, now it's 2 trains. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes since I was dropped off. There are trains still running. I came and talked to this gentleman over here to see when the trains were gonna pass. And yeah, so, okay, I'm gonna save this story for after the trains pass. Okay, so what happened was there was a van lifer leaving the hostel, and so I didn't even have to hitch. It was like, I'm headed that way, I can give you a ride to Mariah's Pass. And I've been taking all day to decide my plan because there were so many different options, and I was just like feeling kind of lax about everything. No one was really getting out of the hostel yet, but I felt like I at least wanted to get 15 miles in because I didn't need a whole 0 today. So he gives me a ride, pretty sure his name was Matt, to Mariah's Pass, where the trail intersects Highway 2, coming from East Glacier. So he drops me off, and then this train is going by, and then the train just stops, and you can see it is still stopped. Then another train starts coming in the opposite direction of this one. Sorry if the light's like crazy. And that was super long. I waited for that to pass, and then this still didn't start moving. So then I was like, okay, I'll go talk to, there looked like there was some like railway worker guys. So I was like, I'll walk way up there and ask them about if it's safe to crawl over the train. because there's like a tiny little ladder. It looks like a platform. Looks like maybe it would be safe. I don't know. It feels scary because this train was just moving. I probably shouldn't, so I'll go ask him if I can. He said, never do that. He said, it's really unsafe. Then he said, well, another train has to come by and then this train will start moving, but it's hard to tell. It's hard to say exactly how long it'll be. So I was like, okay, 15 miles on trail means if I hike really fast, well, if I hike 3 miles an hour, which is me like trying and then not running into any obstacles, it would still take me 5 hours to get back to East Glacier. That puts me at 10 p.m. This is part of the adventure. I did not know I was gonna get dropped off and then pulled up by a train for 45 minutes. Yeah, and see the train, I still wouldn't have even been able to pass the train to get on the trail because the trail's on the other side of this train, obviously. So I would still be waiting, and who knows when this thing is gonna start moving. So it felt really like starting to hike along the road was really my only option. The CDT is choose your own adventure, and for now I'm choosing to start walking rather than to wait for the train to go by. So I miss out on the forest, but hopefully it means I'll just get into town by 9, really. Yeah, so I'm just gonna probably put in an audiobook and get a nice long walk in and chill in the sunlight. It's pretty hot out right now, but the sun's at my back and there's a bit of a breeze. And I'm feeling pretty fine about this. Like, I mean, obviously it sucks. Like, it's like ridiculous, but I'm not like too worried about it. It's just like, okay, get in the miles. Tomorrow I'll get like on real trail and not be like holed up next to a train / the road. So, more later.